All right, switching gears here. The Crypto Bahamas conference is underway with FTX breaking ground on its new headquarters in Nassau worth a reported $60 million. Yahoo Finance's crypto reporter David Hollerith is live in the Bahamas with the latest. David, I thought you'd be on the beach right now, oiled up here, drinking a White Claw, yet you are here with us talking crypto. What do you have?
Brian, so the conference kicked off about an hour ago, and the first opening speech was from the Prime Minister of the Bahamas, the Honorable Philip Davis. So the Prime Minister opened the conference basically to say that, the Bahamas is continuing to try to be a hub for cryptocurrency businesses. The best example of this, of course, is FTX, the company cryptocurrency exchange, which is put on the event along with SALT. FTX moved to the Bahamas in 2021, September, and the company has since then been working closely with the government to sort of ramp up adoption for the digital asset space, particularly to the Bahamas. So their headquarters is based in Nassau. And what I will add here is that while digital currencies, attracting digital currency businesses is a priority of the nation of the Bahamas, there's definitely a disparity here between that and sort of what most merchants actually accept. It's a cash country. In Nassau, very few people actually accept credit cards even. So that being said, the Bahamas is actually pretty far out ahead of other nations in terms of launching a central bank digital currency. Their sand dollar, as they call it, has been running since 2019. Now, they're the main GDP drivers for the country has been tourism, and second in place, international banking. So the move to accept cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency businesses is sort of a part of that framework. It attracts more tourism and it attracts more foreign banking. Now, given that interplay, I think what we're likely to see is more signaling from the Caribbean as well as other places about how they can these smaller nations can sort of pose as a hub, a business friendly hub for an emerging asset class. And then obviously the point of this all is that FTX is based in the Bahamas. It's not FTX proper. They have a U.S. subsidiary, but they're not based in the U.S. And that's because regulation in the U.S. is still not really there yet as far as what is allowed in terms of derivatives. FTX is a very derivatives-heavy marketplace. So all the interplay is being played out here. I would say the story of the conference so far has been traditional investors and crypto-native firms meeting to talk about the future of the asset class. And all of them are betting on the fact that not just crypto assets, but all markets will eventually trade on a blockchain. So that's what we've heard so far. Still 2 more days of the conference.
David, I'm always curious with these conferences what the vibe is like, right? Obviously, you can't get the cliched Lamborghinis pulling up to the Bahamas because people can't drive them there. I guess they can pull up their yachts, right? But especially given the pullback we've seen in Bitcoin advocates seem undaunted, as they always are, pretty much. But what is the vibe like there?
Right. Yeah. Bitcoin's cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin most of all, always a leading indicator for what the market's doing. And it's not been pretty over the last couple of days. The vibe here, I think, is best captured by Anthony Scaramucci, who said, I'm wearing a designer, Bernini, while most people are wearing Tommy Bahama. Now, I guess I sort of fall somewhere in the middle of that camp. But it's kind of the ongoing joke, which is no one can sort of dress incorrectly for a cryptocurrency conference because no one knows how to dress. But I would say, though, the vibe in general is that, I think that a lot of crypto firms are looking for funding here, and there's a lot of venture backed firms that are here to deploy capital, and venture funding is sort of a hallmark thing that is still going on, even with the prices having dwindled. In that being said, the traditional investor mindset is one of still trying to figure out how to get into the asset class. Now, a lot of the ways firms are doing that is that instead of actually allocating themselves, they're tending to rotate to crypto native firms. Now, this is sort of an interesting development. There's this constant narrative about institutional adoption. What that's looking like is that larger institutional players are giving money to crypto funds, and the crypto funds are sort of running with the money. So they've been able to generate a name that way, and it's interesting to watch. Obviously, the market as it is, you would think, there would be a little bit of a boost with this kind of excitement, but I guess the week is not over yet.
Well, great analysis. Go enjoy that sun, sand, go catch that tan. David Hollerith on a tough assignment in the Bahamas. We'll talk to you soon.